If you're wondering how to track changes in Descript projects, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about tracking changes in Descript, a powerful tool that's revolutionizing how content creators manage audio and video editing. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll be an expert in efficiently tracking changes in your Descript projects, saving you time and frustration. Before we dive in, don't forget that you can use Descript for free with some exclusive bonuses by clicking the link below. So let's get started with tracking changes in Descript projects. One of the key features of Descript is its ability to let you track edits in a project easily. Whenever you make changes in a Descript project, the software automatically tracks everything. This includes text edits, audio trimming, video cuts, and even the changes to the script itself. Every modification you make is logged and can be reviewed later, which is perfect for collaboration or revisiting previous changes. You'll find the History tab on the top of your project workspace. This tab is where Descript records all the actions that have been made, whether it's adding new clips, deleting sections, or updating text. You can view the full history of a project, including who made the change and what exactly was altered. This is especially useful when working in a team, as you can quickly identify and revert to previous versions or compare different versions of your work. Descript also allows you to add comments and annotations to specific sections of your project. This makes collaboration even smoother because teammates can leave notes about changes, ideas, or even questions about the edits. You can tag someone by using the EE symbol, ensuring that they'll be notified and can respond directly to the comment. When working with multiple versions of a project, Descript's versioning system is a game changer. You can create different versions of your project at various points in the editing process, making it easy to track how the project evolves over time. If you make a significant change, you can simply click the Create New Version button, and Descript will save a snapshot of your project at that moment. This helps you avoid losing any work, or having to go back manually to find specific changes. If you ever want to go back to a previous version, Descript makes it as simple as clicking on the History tab, finding the version you need, and restoring it. This is incredibly valuable if you've made a lot of changes and want to see how the project looked at an earlier stage or recover something you might have accidentally deleted. An often overlooked feature in Descript is the undo and redo functionality. As you work on your project, it's easy to make a mistake or second guess an edit. With Descript's undo feature, you can instantly go back to the previous step with a simple keyboard shortcut or by clicking the undo button. If you change your mind again, the redo option allows you to quickly get back to where you were. Another cool thing about Descript is its integration with cloud storage. Since everything is saved in the cloud, you can track changes across devices and always have the latest version of your project available, no matter where you are. You can even sync multiple devices, making it easy to collaborate in real time and ensure that all team members are on the same page. By the way, if you're new to Descript, don't worry about getting overwhelmed. The software is user-friendly, and as you start tracking changes in your projects, you'll find that it's an intuitive process that becomes second nature. Finally, I want to mention that you have an exclusive and extended free trial to Descript with some bonuses through the link in the description below. You can explore all the features I've mentioned here and see for yourself how easy and powerful Descript is for tracking changes in your projects. So there you have it. Tracking changes in Descript projects is a breeze once you know where to look. Whether you're working alone or with a team, these tools will help you keep everything organized and ensure that you never lose track of your edits. Be sure to click the link below to claim your exclusive bonus and free trial.